Hi, my name is Vishnu, and I'm the applicant for Core at applying for the head of customer success team. Uh, so, uh, Starting off with what do I know about the company? I believe Core is into handling uh, back office operations for startups to help succeed them, so that the founders can focus more on growth rather than dealing with the operational level or back office operations that they need to do in order to support their business. I think that is what Core does, and I believe that engaging with the customers and the CEOs, understanding their problems with back office administration and how we are going to counter them is what it is more of what our customer success teams do more of, and how do we ease their efforts in order to reduce their burden and their intervention into fixing these issues. I think that is what Core as a company does for our customers. Uh, the reason why I'm very much interested in this role is because, most importantly, AI is being involved. And with my recent project that I've initiated with All Cloud was building an LLM, an AI integrated open source LLM product. That I've recently implemented for not only just the support team, but also for the entire organization where it has been being used effectively. So I think this is where my critical strength for as a head of customer success is going to play a key role within the organization, and yeah, it helps leverage, not only helps establish uh, eases customers' efforts within the customers' uh, back end operations that we build. We can also tell something like, we you get uh, a dedicated AI interactable uh, voice assistant or a chatbot along with the services that we provide, so that whenever a CEO or a founder wants to know something about their own organization or wants to explore a few resources within their organization, that is something that they can do, that we already have on table to offer. So that makes me more inclined towards taking up the role here at Core and within your organization. And also, if you see my background in my CV, most of the all of these skills that are required for this role and are perfectly aligned with my previous experiences and my current experiences that I have. So that is the reason I applied for this role at Google. My ideal work environment. What is my ideal work environment? My values uh, bring down to ownership, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Uh, uh, Ownership is what I've basically instilled from Amazon. As an ex-Amazonian, ownership was something was a part of the seven leadership principles. Back then it was seven. So yeah, seven leadership principles that we've had at Amazon, and ownership was one of them, which I've inculcated as a part of my uh, areas of improvement during my initial years. Then and it is still date one of my core value. Not only did does my I mean it anything that is not necessarily has to be uh, some into somebody's KRAs or KPIs, but uh, why not? I would say why not? Why not own things and then delegate it? Being in a leadership position, I believe the future leaders are the ones who actually own things and then delegate it to other teams to or the actual owners of that task or an operation to lead and keep continuously improving it over the time. All of these things come into play when there is ownership, there is collaboration, continuous improvement, and this is where my ideal work environment is comprised of. And I am very peculiar and choose also very particular about the people whom I work with, who create this, yeah, basically the teams is what create this particular ideal work environment. Now, coming to my strengths, as I've previously mentioned, operational excellence is something that I excel at, where I have set up teams from the scratch and building grade A or delivering grade A performance to our customers. That's my key strength, where I've done it for both A's and all cloud lending domain that I'm currently employed with. I'm also very good at cross-functional collaboration. I've built during our deployments, any new deployment that we do to our customer SaaS environment. I have a collaboration. I create a war room kind of thing where I interact with all the developers, testers, trying to understand the key areas and the new functionalities that we are giving it to our customers, and how is it going to improve my customers everyday operations that or things that they perform over the application. So that was very critical aspect that I follow up on a monthly basis. Uh, and always the data-driven insights to make any decision, rather than uh, guessing what is going to happen. Speculation is something that I always avoid. Neither do I buy anything from anybody unless and until the the outcomes are being measured with data or proven with data. So I do depend critically on a data-driven analysis to ensure that the facts are right and there is no speculation involved, and ensuring that we are targeting the right, pinpointing the right point where the issue is being addressed, the problem is being addressed. Yeah, these are my areas, are my strengths that are aligned. And where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Yeah, in the next 5 years, I want to set an example, become a customer excellence leader with a brand reputation that Core has for me. And that is what I wanted to see myself as, a world-class customer experience function, that I can showcase it to the world that we are going to be like another Amazon or an American Express, as I said before. And I think that's pretty much it. Sorry, the video got a little lengthy. Thank you.